If you want to set a custom message tone on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Sound and Vibration. And then over here, we need to find default notification sound. And what you can do is you can, of course, add a custom sound by choosing Add Notification over here. You will see a list of different audio files that you have on your phone. So if you have your custom sound on your phone storage or on your memory card, then you should be able to select it on this list and then tap on this check in the upper right corner, and then of course make sure that it is selected. However, we changed the notification sound in the general, not just for messages, but for all notifications. If you want to change just for messages and only messages, so when you receive a new message from someone, then in that case we're gonna go back to Settings, and instead we want to go to Notifications. Then over here, choose App Notifications. Now at the top here, we want to switch from most recent to all apps to make sure that we can find the Messages app. So scroll down over here and search for Messages. There we go. Then you want to tap on Show Unused Categories if necessary to find incoming messages, and then tap on Incoming Messages. Then go to Sound, and then over here you can set up that custom message tone. And then it will be set just for new incoming messages that you receive from someone. Leave a like and subscribe.